Welcome. This video explains how to manage payments, adjustments, and deposits in Accounts Receivable. Let's take a look. The Payments and Adjustments Register supports three core jobs: recording transactions, applying them to invoices, and reconciling cash through deposits. Together, these steps ensure customer balances and cash activity stay accurate from entry through reconciliation. The Payments and Adjustments Register has two sections: the Payments and Adjustments tab and the Deposits tab. The Payments and Adjustments tab lists every payment and adjustment made in the system. The Source field helps users identify payments versus adjustments. The Transaction Type field uses receivable transaction types from company admin. These define payment methods or recording adjustments. The Deposit Status helps you identify which payments have been deposited to the bank. Let's see how to add a payment. Click Add Payment. Select a valid open accounting period. The system alerts if the period is invalid. Then choose the customer and transaction type. In this example, the payment was made by check. Enter additional details like the reference and amount. After entering all the details, we can start applying the payment to the open invoices. Select the invoices you want to process. The application tracks the number of selected transactions, the amount of payment applied, and the amount not yet applied. When you are ready, click Save. In this example, I am leaving some funds unallocated, so the system alerts me. Now the payment is saved and part of my register list. To view specific payment actions, click the three dots on the right. Select Apply Payments. Use Apply Payment to assign unapplied funds to an invoice. I can also reverse a payment if entered incorrectly, removing the transaction. The View Payment feature shows payment details. Note, users cannot change or edit the payment but can view all the invoices it applies to. Let's discuss adjustments. These are created through the Invoice Register using the Create Adjustment tool. Adjustments can occur when you add a discount during a manual payment. Unlike payments, adjustments cannot be viewed, but they can be reversed if made incorrectly. Each adjustment is linked to a single invoice. The information inside the Deposits tab comes from selecting payments in the system and assigning them to deposits. Grouping payments into deposits ensures accurate cash reporting and smooth period-end processes. Once you've made your selections in the payment register, select Deposit. In this window, I can choose to create a new deposit or add to an existing one. Enter the information necessary to create the deposit and save. Once saved, the deposit status will change to deposited, and the fields for deposit name and deposit date are assigned. I can go to the Deposits tab to see all the deposits in the system and their status. If a deposit is open, I can view and make changes to it. If the deposit is closed, everything is locked. I choose when to close the deposit and lock it. I can also reopen a deposit if the accounting period is open. Users can easily export information. Select the rows you want and choose the export option at the bottom of the screen. Reports can be exported in multiple file formats, including Excel, text, or .csv. In this example, I selected an Excel export as shown here. Now you're ready to use the Payments and Adjustments Register to record, match, and reconcile transactions. Thank you for watching. Feel free to contact our team with any questions or scan the QR code to learn more.